Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Spark, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, to go on the driver's side here, come down, and there should be a release here, a little pull. That releases the hood latch, the safety feature there, so it doesn't fly up on you while you're driving. If this isn't tight at all, you want to check back behind here, see if you've got some loose cables or something like that. So first step's done, now we got to open it. Most vehicles there's a hood release somewhere towards the middle, but you'll feel it's a little loose now since we did that release inside. So it should be like right there. Yeah, so it's right here, so we'll pinch and lift. Pinch and lift. You can see that's what I was pinching there. You can see down here what was locking it in place. So if you have any issues, you might have the hood slightly out of alignment, so you need to adjust that. Make sure this is all straight. If this is really tight, maybe some WD-40 in here, clean any debris out if there's something there. But otherwise, that's it. Hope that was helpful. Hope you have a great day.